From AAAFx, this is Chris Lewis taking a look at the dollar against the Canadian dollar. We have had a pretty big move during the session here on Tuesday as Canadian CPI numbers came out flat and they were expected to be 0.4%. So that's a huge miss. And it opens up the possibility of an interest rate coming out of the Bank of Canada in April. At least that's the narrative at the moment. So, with that being said, we have seen the US dollar rally quite nicely. It still hasn't broken out, but that is something worth paying attention to. That really puts a lot of emphasis on 1.36. If we can break that, I do believe that the dollar goes much higher. Underneath, we have a lot of support. We continue to see buyers jump in. This might take some time, but I do think we break out. The 50-day EMA and the 200-day EMA both offer support. And I can tell you the Canadian dollar, US dollar transactions are heavy. So it's a lot like pound or like euro pound. It's very choppy. Nonetheless, if the BOC looks like they're closer to cutting rates than the Fed, then that makes sense as well. While I do think this pair goes higher, keep in mind it's going to be extraordinarily choppy. That's just the nature of it. But if we can break above the 1.36 level, we could go to 1.3750 rather quickly. If we break down below the moving averages, then I think we might revisit 1.34.
AAAFx.